Scores of Venezuelan nationals gathered at the Achievers Banquet Hall in San Fernando on day one of the migrant registration process. But while they are grateful, one Venezuelan, Valentino Carrion, believes more must be done to assist them.
The government have to do more things for we, like the education for them kids and for them adolescent and adult too, who need studying.
Mr. Carrion said he won't give up Venezuela completely.
If Venezuela come back good, I will go back. And if it's still worse, I will go back because I have business there in Venezuela. I have business there. I have to go and come, go and come.
Another migrant, Philip Clement, said the process was causing some frustration. He said because the information given wasn't quite clear, many of those gathered on Friday would have to complete the forms at an internet cafe, as well as make copies of the necessary documents before they return to complete the registration process on another day.
We don't know exactly where they have a cyber where we could get all to copy all those papers and bring it out, you understand?
Acting National Security Minister Fitzgerald Hines said he was not surprised by some of the issues.
We are all human beings, professional as we are. There's no perfection other than perhaps in heaven. So we did the best we could. And having started the process this morning, even the people we trained to do the registration, they are reporting to me that they are much better now than they were at 7 a.m. It's a learning process. This process is probably unique to the world. I know of no other country that has engaged in this kind of process.
Minister Hines has said moving forward, if the Venezuelans don't have access to the online forms, the centers will make it available to them. Mahalia Joseph Wharton, TTT News.